Tiger Woods announces mother Kultida's death. A force of nature. My biggest fan. I believe Kultida was a Satanist. Kultida died on 2-4. In Gematria, Kultida equals 24. She died at age 80. In Gematria, Satan equals 80. She died on the 35th day of 2025. In Gematria, Satan equals 35. Baphomet equals 35. So in regards to being the mother of Tiger Woods, she instilled golfer's dominant spirit, demonic spirit, encouraged him to wear Sunday red to play. Woods announced the death of his 80-year-old mother in a social media post. He did not disclose a cause or other details. He described her as a force of nature who was his biggest supporter from the time she drove him to junior golf tournaments in California to being there for his 15 major championships, often wearing her wide-brimmed visor and sunglasses. Interesting that Mahomes wears number 15. Now, she died 36 days after Tiger Woods' birthday, who has the same birthday as LeBron James. And 666 is the 36 triangular number. Now, in the Bible, the beast of Revelation reigns for 3 years and 6 months. Kultida Woods died 18 weeks and 1 day after her birthday. 181 is the 42nd prime number. The beast of Revelation reigns for 42 months. Tiger Woods was born on 12/30, and 12 plus 30 equals 42. Now, Kultida Woods died exactly 47 weeks before Tiger Woods' birthday, shortly after the US installed their 47th US President, Donald Trump, who's a big fan of golf. Now, the first 4 of the 7 seals are the 4 horsemen of Revelation, which will take out 25% of the earth. Now, Kultida gave birth to Tiger Woods exactly 13 weeks after her birthday. 13 is everywhere right now, guys, because it's all about Revelation 13. Revelation 13 describes a vision of a beast rising from the sea, representing a powerful, evil political figure, often interpreted as the Antichrist, who receives authority from Satan the dragon to deceive the world and force people to worship him, marked by a specific number of the beast, 666, which signifies allegiance to his authority. This chapter is widely understood as a symbolic warning against the dangers of false religious and political leaders during the end times, just like Donald Trump. Now, golf is a game of 18 holes. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18, guys. And when you read Revelation 13:18, it reveals to us that 666 is the number of the beast. Get right with God and do it today, because tomorrow is not guaranteed. God wins.